Still spending hours flipping through old notes and PDFs? Stop. It's 2025. Don't study harder, study smarter, with these 3 AI tools that are changing how top students prep for certifications. First up, your secret weapon, Study 4 Pass. Unlike random YouTube playlists or outdated dumps, Study 4 Pass gives you up-to-date practice questions, real-time feedback, and structured paths for certifications from AWS, Microsoft, Google, Cisco, and more. It's smart, reliable, and exam-focused. Second, Notion AI. Think of it as your smart study assistant. It can summarize long topics, generate study checklists, and even quiz you from your own notes. Turn chaos into clarity, automatically. And now meet your 24/7 tutor, ChatGPT. Use it to break down complex concepts, practice interview questions, or role-play scenarios. It adapts to your pace and your certification goals. Bonus, Quizlet AI. Scan your textbook, and boom, flashcards created instantly. It's memory power in your pocket. Smart students don't waste time, they use tools that work. So unlock your study game with AI and crush that exam. Subscribe Exam Prep Ninja for more, and check out study4pass.com today.